Hello everyone, this is SurajBaviskar. Welcome to my YouTube channel SurajBaviskar Trading. Today, in IPO review section, I have tried my level best to provide detailed snapshot of Jyoti CNC Automation Limited IPO, which is opening on 9th of January 2024. Jyoti CNC Automation Limited is a global leader in manufacturing metal cutting CNC machines catering to various industries such as aerospace, defense, and automotive. Major clients are ISRO, Turkish Aerospace, and Bosch. Jyoti CNC Automation Limited is having third largest market share in India and 12th in globally. Jyoti CNC Automation Limited IPO is opening on 9th of January and closing on 11th of January. IPO lot size for Jyoti CNC Automation is 45 shares and IPO price range is 315 to 331 per share. So you have to allocate a total amount of rupees 14,895 for Jyoti CNC Automation IPO. Basis of allotment will be on 12th of January and initiation of refund or credit of shares to demat will be on 15th of January, that is Monday. Jyoti CNC Automation Limited IPO is raising 1,000 crores for company related capital requirement and other purpose, and this will be listed on NSE SME segment. Coming to financial information of Jyoti CNC Automation Limited company. Revenues for last 3 years has increased on year basis, whereas profit after tax company has come from loss to profit. So company has made a tremendous progress in terms of profit. So company looking promising. And guys, this review is for education purpose only. I am not SEBI registered advisor, so consult your financial advisor before applying IPO. So this is disclaimer which I want to mention in this. Happy trading. Thank you.